Yan. What's up mga G? Welcome sa another video dito sa Greenwall TJLG. And today, tama na muna tayo dun sa mga aesthetic vlogs. I know, sabi ko nung past, itatry ko mag-aesthetic vlogs from yung past vlog ko to the end of the year. Pero, as you can see, wala kami video except podcast. Pero yeah, ito na. Babalik na kami. For now, gagawa tayo ng mga video just for the fun of it, just like nung first year ng Greenwall TJLG. So yeah, today let's talk about glow ups. Yan. So as you can see mga G, from my last video, I mean, which is ito, iba pa ang itsura ni ito. Tignan mo, itsura check tayo. Overexposed. Wait. Ito na ang itsura ng inyong handog na si GNSS. Yan. Basta, hindi na ganun yung mga suot ko gaya ng dati and pumayat na din sa wakas. Today's video, we're gonna talk about glow-ups just for the fun of it. Kasi, being me, I am myself's biggest hater and glazer, I think. Kasi, I hate myself enough na I wanted to change myself, the way I presented myself to other people, the way I talk. Siyempre sa mga vlog, iba pa din. Kasi siyempre, gusto kong maging entertaining sa inyo. Pero usually, ganito ako magsalita in a very calm demeanor. Hindi siguro maniniwala yung mga nasa labas, pero I'm like this now. And today we're gonna talk about kung anyari sa akin the past few months. And as you can see, ba't ako pumayat? Don't worry guys, hindi ako pero for the past few months, I've went through massive changes with the way I look, the way I style myself, the way I present myself, gaya na sabi ko kanina. And mentally na din siguro, physically and mentally, kasi it's been an interesting past couple of months, I guess. Later, meron kayong mapapanood na vlog, which is just a vlog na ginawa ko while looking for clothes. And siguro some talks na din with bossing kasi like me, he also went through some changes. Basta physically and mentally na rin siguro. Pero we're gonna talk about change and glow-ups today. Yes, sir. So, number one. So, the number one change na siguro I've done this past few months is a lifestyle change. Yan. And for me, it was long overdue for me to go to the gym consistently. Kasi I have this vision in my mind na I have this body that I wanna achieve. You guys don't believe how much I've changed, or at least hindi kayo kaanong convinced kung ano yung change na itsura from back then to now. Ito is a before picture. And ito is an after. So I don't know if you can see it, but I see it. So every day I go, not every day, pero siguro back then, the first 3 months, I went to the gym 7 days a week. Pero nowadays I only go like 6 days a week. Yung current split na ginagawa ko is pull, legs, push, tapos back day, chest day, and then arm day. Yan. So 6 days a week, yun ang ginagawa ko. Then 1 rest day siguro in between, or sometimes if magagawin kami na Saturdays, I just push my rest days to a Saturday. Yeah, the first couple of months I started doing that. I just did it siguro as a form of survival. Mentally, I was very down, and physically na rin siguro. It was a point na hindi ako confident going outside and talking to people. I basically didn't like the way I presented myself to other people, especially with the way I look. Kaya I went to the gym consistently, 10k to 15k steps a day. Sometimes umabot yung 25, 30 kung busy nung araw na yun. Pero also, tama yung sinasabi nila, sometimes the biggest part of the whole fitness thing is your diet. In the first 2 months siguro, I was doing a crash diet, and then I moved ahead and tracked everything to 500 calorie deficit. Now, you see this guy, and I'm still going. I have at least 2 more months. Pero hindi na ako gaanong ka-strict sa diet ko ngayon. Sa mga nag-aalala dyan, salamat. Hindi na ako gaanong ka-strict sa diet ko ngayon. And sooner or later, we're gonna go sa gym arc natin. Winter arc natin. Bulking season. So, the second change. Dali, may mga sasakyan kasi. Is siguro yung hairstyle na din. You've seen this before. Wait, anong video ba yan? You've seen this before dun sa video namin na about dun sa hunting sa Hamilton. Pero, basically, may police pa. Basically, I've been getting this cut, and recently, madami nagko-compliment. And it's not fake, guys. Don't worry. Hindi to self-glazing. It's actually true. Bahala na kayo kung hindi kayo maniwala sa akin. Believe it or not, I've started doing skincare every night. Pero it's a simple skincare. And, Ayan, mag-hi ka. Yan si Bossing, guys. Hindi siya nakabihis ngayon, pero he's another form of glow up. Ayan o, glow up ba yan?
Green wall.
So basically, nag-skincare na din ako. Hindi yan maniniwala, pero nag-skincare na rin ako every gabi. Simple skincare, isang cleanser and then isang moisturizer lang. Para naman presentable at least yung itsura ko whenever I'm outside. Kasi kung napapansin nyo back then, di ko alam kung nakikita sa mga video, pero I had dry skin most of the time. Dry skin dito, dry skin dito, dry skin dito, and I hated it. Kahit lagyan ko ng lotion back then, it just didn't work. Tapos yeah, so basically those are very big parts of the change that I've done through the past months. And that's number 2. I will show you yung vlog na ginawa namin, which is this one. Yan. So mga G, so ito yung sinasabi namin kanina gagawin namin. I-rank namin lahat ng hairstyle na nangyari sa akin. Through
Wala ako ginagawa.
Through the
years.
Yan. Through the green wall
Through the
years.
fire.
Yung iba dito, hindi pa siya technically green wall years pa lang sila, pero
Kami rin naman yun guys eh. Huwag na kayo magreklamo.
okay na yan. Umpilhan natin
Kiyo agad.
itong unang to. Alam na natin kung saan pupunta to. Recently, madami akong compliments about sa style ko dahil
Today lang yan eh.
mainly sa hairstyle ko. And siguro sa pananamit na din, pero mainly sa hairstyle. So, hair theory is real.
Nako.
Yan.
Tinanong ko dati kung pogi ako, sabi lang sa akin. Mabait siya.
Yung sa akin, pogi ba ako sabi?
Maganda yung buhok mo.
Ito, kung ako dito.
Caterer.
Medyo hair theory to sa
Ang
akin.
bata mo dyan, boss, no? Parang ano dyan.
Gustong gusto ko tong buhok na to, kaso hindi kayang i-recreate ng mga barbero. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Ilan taon ka dyan, boss?
18. So, mga
Bata mo pa
3
dyan.
years ago.
3 years lang yun?
So, ito, hair theory din to. And, bigyan na rin natin, sabihin natin, ito muna. Kasi by kwan tayo eh. Tapusin muna natin din natin pupunin yung hair theory. Ito.
Tinuturo mo ganun, di naman nila nakikita.
O ano, ito, actually okay sa akin to. Medyo fresh siya tignan.
Malinis.
No, malinis. Okay to. Mga buko to nung Toronto Youth pa ako, pero yan, Toronto Youth decent.
Hindi nila alam yung
Okay,
Toronto
good.
Youth.
Basta yun, i-search yun na lang ito. Ito, controversial to.
Kuha kang ano dyan.
Controversial to, kaso gustong gusto ko tong buhok na to.
Pero alam mo sino naalala ko dyan?
Sino?
Si Angel. Ng Team Payaman.
Ito, controversial to, pero hair theory sa akin to guys. Parang kwan siya, overgrown na
Bush.
ganda tignan.
Ay.
Parang, ito, moving on. Ito, di ko alam kung kaya ko to i-pull off nowadays. Na-pull off ko to kasi pandemic noon. Pero hindi siya pangit tignan.
Hindi, madumi lang.
Hindi naman.
Ay.
Hindi siya pangit tignan. Pero, para sa akin, medyo okay. Ano sa'yo? Hindi, may rank mo na lang sarili mo. Kasi, ma-opinion to eh.
Hindi, okay ako doon. Okay siya.
Okay ba yan? Okay ba yan?
So far, okay ako sa...
Ito, first video of
Si High Love yan
TJLG.
Si High Love.
Ito,
Diyan na in love yung multo eh.
ito kung sa akin to eh.
Tae.
Lang yun. Oh. Tae. Malapit na akong pero pareho lang niya to. Mas overgrown lang to. So, ito, kasama mo na yan.
Parang magkaibang tao na yun.
Ihuli na natin to guys. Side dyan na yan. Move on muna tayo. Dito ka muna. Ikaw din. Dyan ka muna. Ito, okay.
Malinis din.
Malinis.
Pero very similar lang dito kay
Pero, malinis to. Fresh.
Oo.
Yan. So, fresh cut dyan. Medyo pareho to, no?
Hindi. Mahaba na yung side niyang isa eh.
Ito.
Oo.
Okay. Ito, medyo overgrown na ingrown. Ng buhok. Medyo okay. Medyo okay tayo dyan. Mas makon sa long hair?
Sa akin, sa A yan eh.
Totoo ba?
Oo.
Okay, ito. Pero taas.
Kasi parang ano na siya, napabaya ang gupit. Ganun.
Top ng
Oo.
Pero maganda pa rin tignan eh. Ito,
Yan
medyo...
ang medyo okay sa akin.
Pero, long hair or ito?
Pwede pa nga sa okay kasi eh.
Ito ba?
Oo, okay sa akin.
Okay. Pero, hindi. Fresh kasi itong dalawa eh. So, dito ka. Ito, dyan yung muna. Beanie cut.
Yan.
Sa tingin mo? Ay, di. Actually, medyo.
Kami pinansin ka naman ni Bini Joanna eh.
Pero medyo. Kasi, okay. Pag ito yung nakita ni Bini Joanna, mas lalo.
Bakit mas lalong di ko
Hindi,
pinansin?
papansin ako yan. Kuhan ako dito. Medyo okay.
Okay.
Pero top. Ito, alam ko pa sabihin mo, hair. Pinatiri to eh. Guys, wig to. Promise, wig to.
Hair Churi.
Hair, hindi, kunyan.
Di ba guys? Comment down below kung you think that's the best haircut.
In reality, dito siya. Pero since medyo iconic siya na
Iconic
hindi siya
yan
totoong
eh,
buhok, medyo okay.
Sige.
Medyo okay lang.
Naku, it's a tie na lahat guys. It's a
Yan.
tie lahat. Oh.
Ito, alam ko kung saan to.
Sa akin, okay yan. Sa akin.
Okay.
Pwede pa nga hair theory yan eh.
Hindi. Meron version yan na hair theory. Okay lang to. Pero, medyo fresh pa to eh. Actually, mas prefer ko to kaysa dyan sa dalawa.
Agree din ako.
Kaso yung itsura lang talaga. Ito kasi chiseled eh.
Mukhang ano dyan eh. Mukhang Caesar.
Ito.
Alam mo yung Minecraft skin?
Oo. Sige, ingatan mo. Pinag-iisipan ko kanina eh. Pero ngayon medyo nasa E na ako. Pero dito, gitnang E. Medyo kan lang kasi siya eh. Parang pag ganun lang siya.
Pero sabi kasi, di ba,
Overgrown.
yung mga babae daw gusto daw nila yung ganun eh. Yung parang Leonardo DiCaprio.
Hindi yan din. Leonardo din.
Yung nakahati sa gitna.
Okay sana yan eh.
Pwede ba yun?
Ito pwede to.
Yan pogi yan.
Yan pwede yan. Mamaya yan.
Mas siguro maganda lang din talaga yung...
Mas okay ako dito kaysa dito. So, ito.
Mas okay yan sa
Oo,
akin.
kasi medyo hindi kita yung gateway of heaven. Pero dito, kwan ka. Diyan ka.
Yan.
Mas okay. Wait, actually.
Tama!
Di.
Sige.
Yan. Ito pareho lang to. Diyan ka na.
Yun o. Mukha ka dyang ano, boss?
Actually,
Gecko.
mas okay. Gecko ano? Ingatan mo.
Kailangan mo may ano, may rason.
Gecko Rosales. Ito, medyo... Okay, hindi. Dito siya.
Yun.
Pangalawa siya.
Yung buhok niya dyan, guys, pang Pasko talaga. Like kung ganyan ang ireregalo mo sa
Tatanggapin
anak mo, tanggapin niya na lang tita.
Hindi ako kumain dyan. Mataba pa ako dyan eh. Hindi ako kumain dyan para chisel dito.
Mag-i-start na siya dyan mag ano, guys.
Hindi pa. Mataba pa ako dyan.
Hindi pa daw pala. So, mali na naman ako.
Ikaw na. Ayun na yan.
Sorry.
Libat natin to dito. Ihuli natin yung mga Ito. Ito kasi siya pag walang bandana.
Pero gusto mo, nang wala siyang bandana.
Pero pag may bandana, medyo mukha akong ogag. Sa E siya.
Si Michael.
Pero... Tears.
Tears in my
Okay,
eyes.
lang to.
Pen in my chest.
Okay.
Sa akin, ano yan? Una yan. Diyan, pangalawa.
Yan, pangalawa. Kasi ito...
Ako nga, ito dapat talagang hindi yan.
Totoo ba? Ayaw mo to?
Ayoko yan.
Mas fresh to eh.
Fresh nga, pero mukha kang ano dyan eh.
Sige. Ayaw na. Mas gusto ko din to kaso mas fresh kasi itong dalawang to. Ito na guys. Ito nga to, kaya hinuli ko.
May expiration ba yan?
Ha?
May
Hindi
expiration.
naman kaado, pero kailangan pa ba explain to? Sige, unahin natin. Malapit ng E to talaga.
Oo.
Na-blip yun eh.
Tae.
So, sige. Eto, di ba?
Ito na lang
Pag
tae.
may middle, tae. Yan.
Yan.
Wait, unahin natin to.
Yung filter ng isa, boss, parang Roger Racker. Taas ng blocks.
Yan, unahin natin yan kasi medyo overgrown version lang siya nito. Sa E lang siya. E.
Sige,
Hindi,
tapusin
ito
mo
muna.
muna kasi meron pa yung challenge sa'yo.
Ito muna. Yan, ito muna. Ito okay lang siya kasi medyo tinry ko mag French crop. Hindi naman siya masama tignan. Kaso,
Naging French Bulldog lang.
ang problema kasi talaga yung mukha ko noon, ganyan sobrang ganyan. Walang problema pero ang pangit tignan sa akin. So, linagay ko na yan sa buhok. Ito, susunod. Kasi medyo, alam mo naman, straight off the airport.
Ay, talagang karating mo lang yan.
Hindi naman. Medyo matagal na rin yan. Naka-skinny jeans ako dyan sa full picture niyan. Pero,
Pakita mo.
wag na.
Pag umabot to ng 300 likes.
Sige, 300 yan Hindi, 500 guys.
300 lang, pre. Hindi tayo umabot ng 100 eh.
1 million subscribers. Tapos itong... hanggang ngayon...
Yan ang pinaka-bawat tripan mo.
Hanggang ngayon, usapan pa din sa Green Mall. Ang tawag sa akin ng isa, bao. Like, yung yung coconut.
Diba kasi yung bao sa amin ngayon?
Dahil sa buhok na to. Ang problema kasi sa akin noon, mabilis humaba buhok ko. Pinipilit kong i-3 buwan.
Okay.
So, nagiging ganito. Tawag natin dito, the Bruce Lee. So, from hair theory to...
Okay, challenge ulit. Elimination, wala na to. Kung isa lang dyan, syempre unahin mo na to. Minus the first one. Anong pinaka...
Sige, tanggalin natin yung first. Dito yan.
Ayan na yun. Wala pala akong challenge guys. Yun yun.
Actually, ang balak ko, ibalik lang tong buhok na to eh.
Kayo guys, comment down below nung number 1 gupit for you guys. Sa kanya.
Ilalagay nila lahat. Ito.
Si Tord.
Yan. Tapos gagawin ni Francis Beats to. Hair reveal.
Sige, 5 likes, 5 likes. Pero bawal ka, wag like.
Hindi wala ako.
Hindi, 10 na natin para sure.
Sige, 10 likes.
Ang dami kong gupit guys, mag-enjoy kayo.
Yan. Balik tayo sa sasakyan.
So, the third change, yan. So, basically, fashion sense. Recently, ito guys, normal fashion ko lang to everyday. Wow, normal fashion. Hindi siya stylish, pero I really like how I look in it. So, kaya nang sabi ko kanina, a lot of people have been telling me na they like the way I style. They've been asking me kung saan ko nang bibili yung mga damit ko, and I just keep saying, guys, Uniqlo lang to, pero you won't believe kung saan ko nang bibili to. It's actually a women's section. Sweaters, jackets, yung mga pants and yung mga shirts. Men's section pa din siya, pero most of my stuff are from the women's section, and I've just found out recently na mas fit yun sa akin kasi number 1, I like cropped stuff. Like, hindi yung cropped up na hanggang dito sa above the belly, pero siguro tawagin natin siyang yung boxy fit na itsura, which is, it shows yung waistline ko, mas mukha ako matangkad sa pictures and stuff like that. I feel like it really elevated my style, and I know some of you guys, you're gonna be like,
he's wearing women's section sweaters, pero
I don't care. I really like it, and that's the most important thing about fashion, I think, is being confident enough to pull off anything. Like having a regular fit but rocking it to the point where you feel like a model. Yan. I feel like yung mentality na whatever you wear, you're confident enough to pull it off and you look good at everything you wear. It helped me a lot in terms of yung pagiging how I am nowadays. Also, we're talking about fashion, wearing accessories like rings, glasses, it really elevates even the most regular of outfits. And I would say na if you don't wear glasses and you want to try it, just go for it. You're not gonna lose anything if you try it. If anything, if you don't like it, you just don't wear it again. Also, for the glasses part, ako kasi I have look at that. I have eye bags. So I use glasses to kind of hide the fact that I have eye bags, which helps a lot. And also, I like the way I look with glasses. Fashion wise, I feel like if you wear branded clothes nowadays, you'd be classified as stylish nowadays. I feel like it's also a downside kasi it's more of the brand you're wearing, not your sense of fashion, that's giving you that compliment. But if you wear like a piece na hindi flex yung brand or something like that, if you wear it, you layer it, tapos you get compliments, I feel like you have a great sense of fashion. And I feel like I've always had this, pero it's just yung number one change, which was the physical part, wasn't there yet, kaya hindi ko siya pinull off. But now, since my body has changed, I'm more confident. I've started wearing like yung pang posture na parang posture na brace to fix yung kung paano ako maglakad, kung paano ako tumayo. Like all these talks about fashion, hindi mo kailangan mag-try hard to just get every clothing wear and layer it. You could wear like a normal pair of pants, normal pair of shoes, normal pair of sweaters, shirts. It's not about what you're wearing, but how you present yourself to people. Yan. Guys, confidence is always the key to everything. Like you could be rocking every designer piece in the world, every layered piece in the world, pero if you don't have the confidence to pull it off, then you're just gonna look regular to everybody. Pero yeah, that is the third piece, and we're gonna move on. Guys, kasama ko na yung fashion guru ng Greenwall. Ayan siya. Pero yeah, against the light pa. So basically, may gumawa kasi ng edit sa akin about the glow up edit. Yan. And ito siya.
Drop dead, oh my God, you beautiful. Never met someone like you before. I'm just trying to show love, it's overdue. Forget the world, it's just me and you. Drop dead, oh my God, you're beautiful. Never met someone like you before. Ain't trying to be naive, better give it to me, cause you know this is new to me too. I'm from real to be honest with you.
Yan. So basically, nakita nyo na yun. And syempre, alam nyo naman na ako yung gumawa na. Kasi, gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, I'm myself's biggest critic and biggest glazer at the same time. Tama ba?
Yung last part?
Parang pinupuri mo yung sarili mo. Sabi nga ni Zig from the Six, I'm a biggest fan. Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, guys, just do you. Ako kasi kaya I went to those massive changes kasi I didn't feel like myself noong mga panahon na yun. And I feel like nowadays nakatulong nga yung changes na yun sa the way I present myself to people, the way I walk, the way I talk. Boom, pop, wow. Yun, vlogger era na ulit. Pero yung mga G, that's it for today's video. Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, hindi ko alam kung mag-a-agree si boss dito, pero these contents, yung mga we're just filming for the fun of it, is better than yung mga well-produced contents namin. Kasi it's more fun to do and it's more natural. I feel like mas magiging consistent kami if we're just doing it for the fun of it. And of course, for you guys. Pero yeah, kung nasan ka man G, stay safe ka dyan. And gaya ng sabi ko kanina, it's not about what you wear or what you are. It's about how you present yourself to people. So be confident and be you. Bye-bye!